In the previous videos, we created a task manager to track what we need to do and a project tracker to manage bigger goals. In this video, we'll create a simple knowledge hub to store useful information. First, type /full page and select Full Page Database. I'll name this database to Knowledge. Now I'll add an example entry. I'll name it Notion Tips. I'll add a couple more example entries, like YouTube growth and productivity ideas. Next, I'll add a property called Topic. First, I'll click Select, and then name it to Topic. Then I'll create a few simple categories. Notion. I'll add a couple more categories. I'll now assign a topic to each entry. Inside each page, you can write notes, paste links, or store anything useful you want to remember. For example, I've added a few simple notes here. Now I've added a few entries and assigned a topic to each one. This makes it easier to organize your information and quickly see what each item is about. As your knowledge grows, this helps you keep everything structured and easy to find. Let me explain how this is set up. On the left, we have the title, which is where you name each entry. This could be anything like ideas, tips, or things you want to remember. Next, we have the topic, which helps organize what each entry is about. This allows you to group similar information together and keep everything structured. For example, Notion Tips is under Notion. YouTube growth is under Content Creation. And Productivity Ideas is under Productivity. As you add more entries over time, this makes it much easier to stay organized and quickly find what you need. Before we wrap up, let me show you how this all comes together. Your task manager helps you keep track of what you need to do. Your project tracker helps you manage bigger goals. And your knowledge hub helps you store useful information you want to remember. Together, this gives you a simple system to manage your tasks, your projects, and what you learn, all in one place. Before we wrap up, let me show you how this all comes together. Your task manager helps you keep track of what you need to do. Your project tracker helps you manage bigger goals and organize your work into projects. And your knowledge hub helps you store useful information, ideas, and things you want to remember. Together, this creates a simple system where everything is connected. You now have a complete setup to manage your tasks, your projects, and what you learn, all in one place. Now you should have a clear understanding of this Notion beginner system and how each part works together. You have a task manager to track what you need to do, a project tracker to manage your bigger goals, and a knowledge hub to store useful information. This gives you a simple system to stay organized and manage everything in one place. Start simple and customize it as your workflow grows. If you haven't watched Part 1 and Part 2, you can check them out to build a full system.